How's it going, guys? Cole here with MarineMax Naples. Today we're going to be walking aboard the 42 GLS by Cruiser Yachts. This one is well optioned with twin 600s as well as a seakeeper and generator. Starting on the aft of the boat here, we'll notice our aft-facing loungers. Perfect for entertaining, cruising at slow speeds, sitting at the sandbar, or just watching the sunset. As you guys are lounging in the seats, there is a retractable shade that will come out just in front of the engines here to give you plenty of shade in that hot Florida sun. On port and starboard side of the boat, you'll notice two balcony doors that fold down to extend the cockpit space when you're either anchored or at the beach or just hanging out at the dock. As we cruise onto the cockpit here, we'll notice plenty of hardtop space as well as our living room style seating. As we enter the cockpit on this 42 GLS, on our port side we'll have our radio controls as well as our hard switching for our balconies and shore shade. We do have the reverso engine flush from this model as well. So after a long day of boating, you'll come in, connect the hose and hit the button. It'll flush each one of those V12 Verados hanging on the back there. Taking a closer look at the interior space of our cockpit here, you'll notice our living room style seating, large tabletop space for entertaining or serving food. In the cockpit, we'll have plenty of hardtop coverage to protect you from the sun or conditions here. On the port side, we have our famous summer kitchen, two fridges as well as our Kenyan grill. We do have an optional TV that mounts up as well as plenty of cup holders. Moving to the starboard side of the boat, underneath our helm seat here will be our optional ice maker, which comes in handy in those Florida summer days. I do want to mention our helm seat is a double helm seat, possibly three if you have a small kid or dog you want to hang out with you. Our dash is filled with black acrylic, which houses our Simrad MFDs, all of our hard switching for a nice clean look, as well as our Mercury joystick and Mercury throttles. We'll move over towards the bow. Before we walk to the bow, let's check out our cabin space. So entering down the stairs, you'll notice three large steps, make it nice and easy to get down from our upper level here. Just forward is it set up in the bed setup right now. You can remove the filler cushion and set it and turn it into a table. On the port side, we do have an additional fridge, a microwave, as well as your TV, which does face the bed. Before we reach the bathroom area, we do have a secondary cabin down below. You can either use it as a bed or as a storage area. Just on the starboard side, we do have a full walk-in head and shower, which gives you plenty of space to walk in and out of without being cramped. Let's go check out the bow now. Before we get to the bow, I do want to mention a couple things. We do have the additional bar stool seating, which gives you a little bit more entertaining area, as well as just somewhere nice to sit. One thing about the 42 GLS is it does have the full windshield and full side glass to keep you protected from the conditions. We do have side windows that open, as well as our walk-through door and window open up to give you a little bit more airflow during those hot days. As we head to the bow of the boat, you'll notice plenty of walkway space, as well as more than enough seating for you and all your guests. There is a table that goes in the middle, and it can be dropped down to give you a bow filler cushion to give you a little bit more lounging area. We do have our electric windlass up front, which can be operated at the bow or at the helm. This has been a quick walkthrough of the 42 GLS from Cruiser Yachts. This one is well equipped, again, with twin 600s, seakeeper, and a generator. Come check us out at MarineMax Naples. My name's Cole. Thanks for watching. Before we get